guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Romani. If you're not sure who I am and you've never seen any of my videos before, make sure you hit the subscribe button. My channel is geared toward business, beauty, health, and empowerment. Today we have a business video. I'm going to be giving you guys 5 ways to just expand your business, make your business pop, or to start a business. So if you need help with any of those, keep watching. So if you've been subscribed to me for a while, you know that I have a personal training business, which is at WITHROFITNESS on Instagram. I have a hair business at Hair by Romani on Instagram, and I am a social media influencer, which is also still a business because you do get paid for advertisements. But I say all of that to say I'm pretty well-rounded when it comes to business, so I do like to make these business videos for you guys just because I've tried these things, and not to toot my own horn, but I know what I'm talking about. But without further ado, let's continue to jump into the video. So number 1, you want to get a website. Now, for the first 2 years of me having Glow with Throw Fitness, I didn't have a website. I'm not going to say it hindered me any because I was still making money, but I do find having a website to be a lot easier. One, because you don't really have to negotiate pricing with people. So I feel like when you have like a DM to purchase type of business, people are like, oh, well, what are your prices? Oh, can you charge me this? Can you charge me that? When you have a website, it's just standard pricing. They have to pay, or let's say you have a product and you don't have a website. People are like, oh, well, do I have to pay for shipping? Do I have to do this? Do I have to do that? So when you have a website, it's a lot easier for your customer to just understand everything. They know the pricing, they know what's included, they know if shipping is included, yada, yada, yada. You can pay somebody to have a website created. I just created mine on Wix.com, and this is not a sponsored video at all. I created my website on Wix, and that's pretty easy to me just because I'm able to go in and update whenever I need to, whenever I want to have a sale, whenever I want to change up some wording, or I want to update the website. I'm able to do that myself because I created it myself. I know that some people do use Shopify. I don't know too much about Shopify because like I said, I use Wix, but I think Shopify is pretty good too. For Wix, I only pay $33 a month for my website, which is nothing compared to what I'm making. So if your business is doing good, paying for a website shouldn't really be any worry for you, and it'll probably make you more money because more people can find you. So Wix lets you advertise your business on Google, and when you meet people out, you can be like, oh, this is my website, not this is my Instagram, and then DM me and then I'll DM you back, you know what I mean? So number 2, you want to have a business email. So along with the website, you want your customer or client to be able to contact you, and if you don't want to give your number out, let's say you have a really big business, you don't want to give your number out, an email is your next best bet. If you're just starting out, you can have any type of email. Right now, my Glow with Throw Fitness email is glowwiththrowfitness@yahoo.com, but I do know people who have customer service at their website.com, and you can do that through your website provider. So if I wanted to do customer service at glowwiththrowfitness.com, I would do that through Wix, but I don't feel like paying for that when Yahoo is free. So it's personal preference, but you do need an email along with your website. And back to the website, another thing, you don't want to miss out on sales. So I know when I didn't have a website and people would hit me up at 1 a.m. or 2 a.m., I wouldn't see their message until maybe 8 a.m. or 9 a.m. And people can change their mind on if they want the product, in 8 or 9 hours. So you want them to be able to shop at night, shop late at night, not have to ask any questions because everything is on your website, and just be able to purchase whenever they want to. But yeah, anyway, we're going on to number 3. So number 3 is get a logo. So you want to have a logo made. I know that people are very expensive when it comes to logos, but you can definitely find people to make your logos for cheap if you just do the research. And I find that a lot of people don't want to research things when it comes to their business, which is why their business doesn't do so well. So if you want to have a flourishing business, you need to be doing research. So finding somebody to make a cheap logo for you should not be that that hard. But you want to have a logo because you want people to familiarize themselves with your brand. So whenever they see that logo, they're like, oh, that's Glow with Throw Fitness. Oh, that's Hair by Armani. Oh, that's Nails by such and such. So like you want to have a logo, and you want to put that on everything that you're posting. Put it on, you know, if you make products, your logo needs to be on your products. If you provide a service, whenever you take pictures of that service, that logo needs to be on there. So like when people are maybe scrolling down a TL, they're just like, oh, like that's construction by blah blah blah. You need to have a logo. Number 4, you want to have separate social media pages for your business. And I said this in another like business video that I did a while back. You want to have a separate social media page. So you don't want to have a personal page mixed in with a business page. You want to separate yourself from that. So like if you let's say you are an artist and you have an art page, I don't want to see you turning up on my TL under that page. That's your business page. So your customers should not even be seeing, you know, too much of your personal life. So you want to have a social media page, and you don't have to have a ton of social medias. Glow with Throw Fitness, I limit that to Instagram. My Instagram is connected to Facebook, so it just, you know, everything spills over to Facebook. So I'll say Instagram, Facebook, and then I talk about my business on here, which is YouTube. And that's pretty much it. We don't have a Twitter or anything like that. So I say just pick like 2 good social media accounts that you're on frequently and actively, and then just put your business accounts on there. And when you pick your social media, just make it make sense. So like if you're never on Facebook and you don't get most of your money off of Facebook, you don't really have to make a Facebook page at the moment, but like if you really get in sales on Instagram, then you would make a Instagram for your business. Last but not least, number 5, you want to be unique. So what sets you apart from other businesses? And whatever sets you apart, just let your audience know that this is what sets you apart. Like, do you have sales? Not like can you make sales, but like do you have sales at the end of every month? Do you have like a last day of the month sale? Do you have a first day of the month sale all the time? Do you only, if you're a personal trainer, do you only help with weight loss? Do you only help with weight gain? Is your packaging pink? Like just what makes you unique from other people that somebody would be like, hey, like that's kind of cool, because people shop based on emotion. So if you can make someone feel like, wow, this is a really good business, this person is putting their all into this business, they seem different from everybody else, then you can make the sale. Because I do hear a lot of business owners like, well, I'm not going to start this business because such and such is already doing that. Yes, a lot of people are doing a lot of things because there's about 8 billion people in the world, so somebody's occupation is going to be occupied by somebody else, of course. But you just want to set yourself apart. Like for me with personal training, what sets me apart, I feel, I'm not sure, you know, if other people see this as like unique, is I have my own weight loss transformation. So a lot of clients that I see are already, you know, fit, and they can't really, no offense, relate to their client because they've never been in their shoes. But I was overweight, so I know that I lost weight. I know that, you know, I know what people who are losing weight want to hear, want to feel like, want to look like. I know that they need somebody to talk to, you know, just about the struggles, and I can relate to that, so that sets me apart. So just find something that makes you unique and run with it. But I just want to go back over the list one more time, so make sure you write this down, and of course everything will be in the description box below. So number 1, you want to have a website. Number 2, you want to have an email. Number 3, you want to have a logo. Number 4, you want to have at least 2 social media pages set up. And number 5, you want to be unique. So that is it for this video. Let me know what other kind of like business videos you guys want to see, because like I said, I have a few other business videos, but one of them is like really blowing up, and I'll link that down below, but it's just about how to like social media market your business. But I've been getting a lot of good feedback from that video, so yeah, just let me know. But thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter at XO_Romani. Everything will be linked in the description box below, and I will see you guys in my next video.